प्रथमः पाठः वयं वर्णमालां पठामः। वर्णाः द्विविधाः भवन्ति। स्वराः व्यञ्जनानि च। Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome to Simple Sanskrit. Today we are taking our very first step into learning Sanskrit together. We are covering chapter 1 of the new NCERT class 6 textbook Deepakam. The lesson is called Vayam Varnamalam Pathamaha, which simply means we read the alphabet or we are learning the alphabet. Don't worry if it looks new to you, we are going to break it down so it's super simply and easy to understand. Let's start. Varnamala Varnaha Swaraha Samanaksharani A I U R L Sandhyaksharani A I O Au Vyanjanani Sparshaha Vargyaha Ka Kha Ga Gha Nga Cha Cha Ja Jha Nya Ta Tha Da Dha Na Ta Tha Da Dha Na Pa Pha Ba Bha Ma Antasthaha Ardhaswaraha Ya Ra La Va Ushmanaha Sha Sha Sa Ha Ayogavahau Anuswaraha Visargaha Aha प्रथमः पाठः वयं वर्णमालां पठामः। वर्णाः द्विविधाः भवन्ति। स्वराः व्यञ्जनानि च। In Sanskrit, letters or speech sounds are called varnaha. The text tells us Varnaha dvividhaha bhavanti, swaraha vyanjanani cha. This means letters are of two types, vowels and consonants. Swaraha Swaranam Uchcharanam Swatantra Rupena Bhavati. Swaraha Dvividhaha Santi Samanaksharani Sandhyaksharani cha. Swaraha or vowels. The textbook notes a golden rule. Swaranam Uchcharanam Swatantra Rupena Bhavati. This means vowels can be pronounced completely on their own. They don't need help from any other letter. Sanskrit vowels are split into two groups, Samanaksharani and Sandhyaksharani. Samanaksharani Varnamalayam Adau Ye Samanyaha Swaraha Santi Te Samanakshara Swaraha Bhavanti. Hrisvaha A I U R L Dirghaha A I U R. Varnamalayam Adau ye samanyaha swaraha santi te samanakshara swaraha bhavanti. The common vowels at the beginning of the alphabet are the same syllable vowels. They come in two lengths. Hrisvaha, short. A, E, U, R, Lr. Dirghaha, long. A, E, U, R. Look closely at Lr. The book gives us an important grammar rule. Lr varnasya dirghaha na santi. This means the letter Lr never has a long version. Now, let's check out the Sandhyaksharani. द्वयोः निश्चितस्वरयोः सन्धिद्वारा ये नवीनाः स्वरवर्णाः जायन्ते ते सन्ध्यक्षरस्वराः भवन्ति. These are compound vowels formed by joining two different vowels together. They are A, I, O, Au. For example, adding A and E creates A. Because these are made by joining sounds, they are naturally long, dirghaha. The book reminds us Sandhyaksharanam hrisvaha na santi. Compound vowels never have a short version. Anunasika swaraha. मुखेन सह नासिकया अपि उच्चारिताः स्वराः अनुनासिकस्वराः भवन्ति. These are nasalized vowels marked with a tiny moon and dot sign on top. They are pronounced using both mouth and nose at the exact same time. Am, im, im, rum, rum, lrum, aim, aim, om, aum. व्यञ्जनानि. व्यञ्जनानाम् उच्चारणे कस्यचित् स्वरस्य सहायतायाः अपेक्षा अवश्यं भवति. Unlike vowels, consonants cannot be spoken alone. They always need a vowel to help them out. अतः वर्णमालायां व्यञ्जनानाम् उच्चारणार्थं सर्वत्र अ स्वरस्य योजनं भवति. To make them easy to read in the alphabet, the short vowel A is added to every consonant. A pure consonant has a teeny diagonal slash underneath, like when we add A, it becomes the full readable letter K or G. Consonants have 4 distinct groups. The first group is called Sparshaha or grouped consonants. Sparshaha Vyanjanavarnaha स्वकीय उच्चारण स्थान अनुसारेण स्थानानुसारेण पंचसु वर्गेषु विभक्ताः भवन्ति. There are 25 letters here organized into 5 rows called vargaha based on where your tongue touches your mouth to make the sound. Ka varga from the throat, cha varga from the palate, ta varga from the roof of the mouth, ta varga from the teeth, and pa varga from your lips. The second group is antasthaha. Antasthaha varnaha bahutra swaravarnanam sthane jayante. Ataha ete ardhaswaraha ityapi uchyante. These are our semi-vowels. Ya, ra, la, va. They are also called ardhaswara or half vowels because they often appear in grammar in place of vowel sounds. For instance, Yadi plus api merges smoothly to become yadyapi. The third group is Ushmanaha. Ushmanam Vyanjana Varnanam Ucharana Samaye Mukhat Ushnaha Vayuhu Nissarati. These are the sibilant sounds Sha, Sha, Sa, Ha. Ushma means heat, and these letters are called worm sounds because breathy worm air leaves your mouth when you say them. Ayogavaho Ayogavaha Vishishtaha Vyanjanavarnaha Asti. Atra Uchcharanartham A Swarasya Sanyojanam Purvam Bhavati Natu Paschat. Atra Dvau Ayogavahau Staha. These are special sound modifiers. First is Anuswara, which adds a nasal humming sound. Second is Visarga, which adds a soft, breathy echo sound. Aha.
Aha.
Unlike other letters, the vowel sound comes before them when we write or read them out loud. व्यञ्जनैः सह सर्वेषाम् अपि स्वराणां संयोजनं भवति. All vowels are combined with consonants. व्यञ्जनैः सह स्वराणां संयोजनेन गुणिताक्षराणि भवन्ति. Multiplied letters are formed by combining vowels
धन्यवादः.
with consonants.